Can premium luggage actually make travel easier, or is it just expensive hype? We just got new level 8 luggage, and today we're finding out. All right, we just got a delivery that we've been expecting, and this is a good one. You ready? Oh yeah. All right. This is exciting. So what's the first thing you think of when you think of traveling?
Packing.
Luggage, right? So we all know that good luggage can make or break your travel experience. As we know with our old luggage, you've got a bad wheel on yours and
Yes.
you have trouble pushing it. So before our next trip on Navigator of the Seas, which is coming up, we've got new luggage that we're trying out. We've got the level 8 luggage. I think these are the Voyager luggages. So what we're gonna do is unbox them and show them to you guys. We'll start, you wanna start with a little one or a big one?
A little one.
Okay, let's get it open. Now we ordered different colors for ourselves, so we don't know, because we haven't looked at the labels, we don't know whose box is what.
I'm gonna say it's mine. Yellow.
You think so?
Yes.
So I ordered the all black and she ordered the yellow and black. She likes to be different.
Yes. Ooh, it's mine.
All right, well, it's yours. You do the honors.
Yeah, man. Let me see my luggage.
All right, so let's move this box out of the way. Oh, they pack it nice.
Yeah, they do.
It's got a nice bag protecting it. How's it feel? Feel sturdy?
Yeah, it feels sturdy, kind of lightweight. I like the texture, yeah.
Okay. All right, so now let's see what mine looks like. So this should be the all black. Okay. Well, I guess I just pulled my,
Out of it.
there we go. Oh yeah. I like the material.
Yeah.
It feels pretty sturdy. Okay, we ready to see the big ones? So these are the carry-ons. So these are, I believe, are 20 inches?
Yeah.
I believe these are the 28s and these are the 20s. So these would be your carry-on and then these are gonna be your check-in bags. All right, so now let's open the check-in bags and see what they look like. I don't know whose is whose. I may have hers and she may have mine, but we're gonna open them and see. Yeah, I think I've got yours.
Yep.
Yep, I do.
got yours. That's okay.
Well, I don't want to pull yours out. Trade boxes.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now that the boxes are in the right position, let's see what we got. All right. Let's move this box out of the way. I like that they put them in these bags.
I feel like it's Christmas. Yeah, I like that they put them in the bag too, but I don't like that they're upside down.
Oh, in the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
That over there. Yeah, these are
Look
nice.
at all the different ways you can hold it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I like the material on these and the carry-on. They're the same material.
Look at how it has where you can lay it down on these little things, and then it has it on the side too. I like that.
Okay, so one of the things that I really liked about this luggage was the extra wide handle. So if you bring it up, you can see how wide it is. So what happens is now you've got extra space in here because the handlebars aren't going down the center of the luggage like our old luggage. So that gives you a little more freedom to when you're packing and everything. And I hear that it makes it a lot easier to control the suitcase with the wider handle.
One of the things that I like about this luggage is that it has the built-in TSA locks. And you just hook your zipper right into the slots, which I think is pretty convenient. And the carry-on has that same TSA lock on it as well.
So the interior seems roomy. And I do like that both compartments on each side. Get that. So you've got a large compartment here with your luggage tie down. I think that's, oh, that's like a different,
separator.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, that's nice. All right, let's zip that up. Let's check out this side. Into that. So then you have another big compartment here. So that's nice. And then if we flip it over, you've got a mesh pocket here where you could put, I guess, toiletries, shoes, something like that. Then you have the wet compartment up here. So like when we go on a cruise, if you have a bathing suit that's wet and it's the day we're leaving, instead of waiting for it to dry, you could throw it in there. Or you could throw in, if you're not worried about a wet bathing suit, you could throw in like your liquids, mouthwash, things like that, just in case they spill. So that's nice, I like that.
That's a nice compartment.
Yeah. One of the things I like about this is all of the handles. You've got a handle here, you have a handle up top, and if you turn it, you also have a handle here. So there's several ways to get leverage on this suitcase to, you know, pick it up. So I do like that. You also have the feet on the side here, so you can lay it down that way. And then you also have feet on the bottom, so if you're gonna lay it down that way. So it's very well thought out, I believe, the way that it has the different handles and the different feet positions. So I do like that. And again, level 8 luggage. We've heard people talk about them, so now we're gonna test them out. So one of the things that people really talk about with these level 8 luggage is the wheels. They're quiet, they're almost like a rubber feel, and you know, they rotate 360 degrees and they roll really nice. So the luggage is supposed to roll really well.
So as you can see, the carry-on has pretty much the same compartments as the check-in luggage.
Yeah, it even has the wet compartment. Yeah, so they're almost identical.
Yeah, and the wet compartment and the mesh.
Yep. All right, so level 8 luggage. Is it gonna be worth it?
We shall find out.
We got these. We are going on Navigator of the Seas in about a week. And that's why we got these, so we could test them out. So you'll have to wait until after that cruise to get our final verdict on them. But first impressions, what do you think?
I love the color.
Okay.
It's gonna help me be able to identify my luggage a lot easier. And I like how smooth it rolls.
Yeah. The wheels roll very smooth and they're quiet. When we were rolling across the floor and everything, super quiet, they roll really smooth. And I can see just from us rolling it around in here, how the wide handle gives you a little more control.
Yes.
So I definitely, first impressions, I like them. Now the question's gonna be how they hold up when we travel. So we will be going on Navigator of the Seas with these, and then at the end of the month, we'll be able to see how they hold up with flying, because we'll be flying to Fort Lauderdale for another cruise. So that'll give us an idea of how they hold up on the cruise and how they hold up when we fly.
And it's also gonna let me know how the wheels actually, are they really that smooth once I pack all my stuff
Right.
in this suitcase?
Well, I can tell you they'll be smoother than your current suitcase with the broken wheel.
Yeah, I guess so.
So anyway, keep an eye on the channel, guys, because we will be doing some more information about this luggage after we travel with it. We will give you our final verdict after Navigator of the Seas, how the trip on Navigator went with this luggage. And then at the end of the month, we'll probably do like a after 30 days kind of video, because then we'll have a chance to fly with the luggage and go on a couple of cruises at that point with the luggage.
To really test it out.
Yeah. So we'll see how it holds up, but first impressions, I like it. I think it's nice luggage, so we'll see how everything goes.